Hello students, in my last video I had given a short introduction of marketing. Today I shall be taking the topic further. So basically from my last video what we understand about marketing is that it is a total system of interacting business activities which is designed to number one, plan, price, promote and distribute want or satisfying products or services to the present and potential customer. When we say potential customer, it means those customers those people who can be my customer in the future. Like for example, if I am using a product and I'm satisfied by using that product, and I discuss that with you that I'm using this product and it's very nice, so why don't you also try it up? So tomorrow, if you by hearing to me, okay, by word of mouth you are going and buying it, then you are my potential customer. So those people who can be converted into real customers in the near future are known as the potential customers. Now we will understand what are the approaches to marketing. So basically there were two views of marketing. One was the traditional view, that was the product oriented view. So this product oriented view was based on the assumption that the product, whatever it may be, is acceptable to the consumers or the customers. So it's a seller's market where the producer is concerned only with manufacturing or producing the good and then distributing it to the customer. So they are not taking into consideration the choice or the behavior of the consumers. It is mainly because that time, in earlier time, the competition was very less, and because the competition was very less, so the customers were offered with a limited range of that particular item. So what happened is that, and they had to buy it, there was no choice for the customer. So the producers or the manufacturers or the sellers never used to bother about actually whether the customer really wants to buy it or he is buying it out of compulsion because there is no alternative to this product. So this kind of a view is the product oriented view, where the customer's requirements, needs, desires were not taken into consideration. So you can say that it was basically a seller's market. Now the next view, which is known as the modern view, is the customer oriented view. Today, with the increase in competition, everybody is trying to make similar kinds of items. So today the market is full of option for the customer. So therefore there's a lot of competition which is making the producers or the sellers think before they are manufacturing it, that what I'm manufacturing, is it going to satisfy the needs or the wants of the customers or not. So basically here the customers are the king. So the producer will produce and bring forward only those products which can satisfy the wants and the tastes of the consumers. Here the customer satisfaction is given priority, because today we as customers, we have got a lot of option. I go to a shop and I buy a particular thing, I use it or I consume it, but I don't like it, I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied by using it, consuming it or wearing it or applying it. So next time I'll say, no, I'll not go to this shop. The quality, suppose I had brought a dress and I found that the material of the dress was not that good. The color started bleeding. Okay, मतलब रंग छोड़ने लगा या उसमें बॉबलिंग होने लगा. Then what happened is that I might say, no, this shop, the quality of dresses in this shop is not good. So I might hop to some other shop, because there is so much of options today in the market. So any seller or producer or manufacturer has to first take into consideration what my customer wants and then keep the things accordingly. So if you go to a बीटल शॉप मतलब एक पान दुकान में अगर आप जा रहे हैं आज के दिन में, यू विल फाइंड दैट कि मैक्सिमम पान दुकान वाला सिर्फ आज के डेट पे पान या गुटखा या सिगरेट्स नहीं बेचते हैं, वो साइड बाय साइड वो क्या है, छोटा छोटा इन्वेस्टमेंट्स वो करते ही रहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल कि वो कुछ चिप्स का पैकेट्स 5 रुपया 10 रुपया का कुछ चिप्स का पैकेट्स डाल दिया। सम बीटल शॉप ओनर्स आर दैट क्लेवर कि वो लोग अपने एक दुकान में वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि बिस्किट्स भी रखना शुरू कर देते हैं या वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स भी रखना शुरू कर देते हैं। वाई? बिकॉज दे think that when a customer is coming for a cigarette or a pan or something, he might feel attracted towards those things which are also available in my in my shop. So if I am selling only pan ya gutka ya bidi and that person has to go for a packet of biscuit, he has to go to another shop, then I am not being able to retain my customers. हम अपने customers को पकड़ के नहीं रख पा रहे हैं. So why don't I start keeping all these small items which does not require a big investment. हम ऐसे छोटे छोटे items अपने दुकान में ही रखें so that I do not lose out on the customer. That is what is. So here एक छोटा सा एक पान दुकान वाला, he is also trying to identify the what my customer generally comes to buy a pan or a bidi asks for, and then he is also keeping those things. Now the next question is what is marketed? किस चीज़ों की मार्केटिंग होती है? So marketing people are involved in marketing basically 10 types of entities. Like for example सबसे पहला entity है आपका goods, commodities like कार है, refrigerator है, food है, machines है, etc. So that is goods. Second is services. Services involves as like hotels में, airlines में, beauty parlors, they are all providing with a service. So service is something that is also marketed. Third is events, big events like award functions हुआ, फिर आपका IPLs हुआ, फिर आपका 2020s हुआ, वर्ल्ड कप्स हुआ, कंपनी एनिवर्सरीज हुआ, ओलंपिक्स हुआ, ये सारी चीज़ें, these are also events which are marketed. Next is experience is also marketed. Like for example, if you go to Walt Disney, that's an experience, lifetime experience. So I'm selling something. It's not a kind of service because it's a fun event. So the experience that you have after you go to Walt Disney is you cannot express that. So that's an experience that will always be with you. Then circus, or say in India we have Ramoji Film City. That's an experience, that's a lifetime experience when we go to Hyderabad and we visit Ramoji Film City. तो वो हमारे लिए पूरा जीवन के लिए एक बहुत बेहतरीन एक memorable experience हो गया. So that's an experience which is also marketed. Then persons like artists, film stars, musicians, they also market themselves. Then places like for example Kerala, God's own country. So that's how you're marketing a state. Then we have Gujarat. We have international places like Kerala, Europe, Singapore, Dubai, all these places. Okay. Then is properties like real estate, then stocks and bonds. These are marketed through various online portals like 99acres.com, then jabong.com, amazon.com. These are the properties or which are being sold. Okay, or I am kind of selling something online, so that is being marketed through my portal. Then organizations, of course, they market themselves. There are big companies like L'Oreal is there, Sony is there, Samsung is there, Xiaomi is there. So all these organizations, they also market themselves. We have information that is also marketed, like for example through newspaper or through magazines. For example, we have many local newspapers who time to time come up with certain schemes कि आप अगर हमारा membership लेंगे 1 साल का तो you have to pay say 100 rupees or 110 rupees and हम आपको कुछ free gifts भी देंगे इस तरह से. So they are marketing their newspapers also. So that's how information is also marketed. And lastly, which is also marketed is ideas. Ideas are also marketed. So we have done a brief discussion about what is marketing and the views of marketing and basically what is marketed. In my next video, you shall be knowing about what is marketing as a process. Thank you.